Okay. So for the very first time over here, we know that what is stock market. Okay, we don't need to understand that how exactly the stock market works and like just the buying and selling of the shares. Okay, that's very basic
Okay.
thing. Yes. Now, what we will be focusing on will be two things. First one is technical and fundamental.
Mhm.
Types of analysis. Two analysis will be there, technical and fundamental. But we will be moving 99% with the technical analysis, not with the fundamental, because there is a reason we are just buying the stock and holding it for maximum 7 to 8 days or maximum for 15 days, not more than that. Okay, so we don't need that much to focus on fundamentals, because when we are if we want to focus on fundamentals, that means that we are going for the investment, that means for 2 months, 6 months, 7 months, a year. Okay, basically
Long
90%
term.
my working is based on technical analysis, which will be consisting of maximum price action, momentum, and chart pattern. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. And I hope you are aware about the types of trading, like intraday, short term, and positional.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay. So, intraday is basically buying today and selling today itself. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, short term will be buying it today and holding it for at least a week for 6, 7 days. And positional will be buying and holding it for minimum 3 months and maximum can be around a year or 2 years. Okay. So, that is a
Okay.
complete basic thing. Now,
Mhm.
tell me one thing. How much you know about the candlestick pattern or
Not much.
not much, right? Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Then here we will elaborate everything. So just understand that whenever, like here, okay, whenever a particular chart or a particular, I'll just give you an example. It went so well today actually. Bank of Maharashtra. Yes, it has broken around 18 years of consolidation today, and I'm just hoping
Mhm.
that from here, just if it closes about 95, 96, maybe around 150, 120, maybe the next target, and it is a very good.
Oh.
Yes, yes. So on a daily time frame, just have a look. Okay. Now here,
Mhm.
every single chart consists of only two candles. Just understand red and green candle. Nothing
Yeah.
like technical, like what is Maru Bozu, what is bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, or shooting star, hammer. You don't need the name, you don't need the nomenclature. Just simply, very simply, basic understand red and green. Okay. Now the
Yeah.
red candle will be of bearish and green candle will be bullish. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, here, this is a daily time frame. Can you see? D is here. We will explore the application, complete application from tomorrow. Okay, that what is exactly this application and how we need to use that. So this is Bank
Do
of
you
Maharashtra.
think it's better कि I open साथ में laptop also and then I can learn simultaneously?
You can do that also, or I'll be providing you the recording. So meanwhile,
Okay.
once you will get the recording, you can open the recording in the background and then you can continue with your chart. You can
All
do
right.
that also.
Okay.
Whatever you
Okay. Okay.
feel good at, no problem. Yes, yes.
Okay.
So here what is happening, just understand the Bank of Maharashtra, it's a daily time frame. Now this is a green
Mhm.
candle, right, which is around 5.79%. This is a 1 day movement today, 6% movement. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Now here what happened, that mm, yes, this is a green candle, and this is day before yesterday. This is red candle. Before that, the green, and red. Okay, just understand
Yeah.
green and red today. That's it. You don't need any name or anything. Now here, when I
Mhm.
say green candle, that is a very simple meaning. If it is green or red, high and low will be same. The candles high and low. Okay, this will be the
Okay.
high and this will be the low of the candle. It will be same. There will not be any change in high and low of the candle. Here in green also, in red candle also, high of the candle will be the same and the low of the candle will be like that. Okay. Now here what is
Okay.
happening, that the candle went up, made a high here, and then it came it gave a close over here.
I
Okay.
can't see the chart. I can't see the chart.
You can't see my screen. You can't able to see my screen.
I can see. I can see. I said I can't see the chart of Bank of Maharashtra.
No. It like earlier I opened the another slide. Now this is different one. This one.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. It has nothing to do by today, because I just shown you that this is green candle and this is red candle. Okay. Now I'm just giving you like a brief over here on the PDF, where see this is high, low, and this will be the closing price and this will be the opening price. Okay. Now very simple. You need to understand, when the opening price is less than the closing price. Okay. Now here, let's say just consider the opening price is 90. Okay. And now from here, the price went up and moved to 100. Okay. So this will be the closing price, right?
Yeah.
So this will form a green candle, which is known as bullish candle also. Okay.
Yeah.
This is open and this will be the
closing.
Okay. The same will happen with respect to the red candle, where if it opens at a higher price, here this will be the opening price. Let's say it opens at 100 rupees. Okay. And the price continuously went down to 90. Okay. Now what this price, this one will be the opening price, and at bottom this price will be the closing price. I hope you got this.
Yeah.
Okay, this is very simple, very basic. When the price goes up, we get a green candle. When the price goes down, we get the red candle. As simple as that.
Yeah.
Okay. Now here, just understand the types of orders. May I know which Demat account you are using right now?
HDFC.
HDFC. Any other Demat apart from HDFC?
No, I have HDFC.
Okay. Because banking application is quite a bit difficult to use. I hope you are aware about that.
मतलब
मतलब ऐसे कि यूज करने में थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट होता है, ऑर्डर प्लेस करने में, एग्जीक्यूट करने में इमीडिएट थोड़ा सा इशू होता है. आपने इंट्राडे में भी वर्क नहीं किया है ना?
नहीं.
यस. सो एक्चुअली मेरा अगर मैं एक्सपीरियंस बताऊं, तो अदर एप्लीकेशंस लाइक एंजल, जीरोधा, ग्रो, द ब्रोकिंग फर्म्स are quite simpler as compared to the HDFC. But see, if you are already having the portfolio in HDFC, let that be as it is, and you can switch to the new age application like Angel One, Grow, like that.
Okay.
Yes. So in case of types of order, just understand how we can place the order. First one is market order. Okay. Now, in case of market, when the market price is running at 100 rupees and you are willing to buy at the same price which is running in market, that order will be known as market order. Okay.
Yeah.
If the price is 100 rupees running in market and you are willing to buy it at a price of 105, okay, price is above 5 rupees above the current market price, then what you will do, you will place the limit order. If at all that price touches to your limit order, then it will get executed, otherwise it will not executed. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now next one is intraday order. Now here in case of intraday, the same thing will happen. In between 9:15 to 3:15, you need to buy the order and you need to sell the order. Otherwise, the order will get cancelled or square off automatically without intimation. Okay. So this is intraday order. Now, what is the use of intraday order? Instead of buying in delivery, if you buy in intraday, you get extra margin, extra leverage of around 5 times. Let's say if you are having 1 lakh in Demat account and you are buying something in delivery, you have to pay complete 1 lakh rupees. But if you are buying that in intraday, on an investment of 1 lakh rupees, you can buy it up to 5 lakh rupees. So that's how you get margin in intraday. You might be aware about this function, right?
Yeah, but I have never bought an intraday, so I don't know how HDFC, what exactly happens, in
I'll
the HDFC.
Yes, yes, that's what I'm saying you. I'll share the link also of the Demat account. You open the Demat account and I'll explain you everything. See, this is my application of Angel One where I use it and it is very smooth to use. Today, if you can see here, there's a profit of around 21,000 which I have booked. So this is what this is the client's Demat account and this is like he has given me for the account handling. Here, around 21,000 of profit we have booked today in the Demat account.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. So this is very easy application to use. That's why I told you. And every single point or every single feature related to that application is I am very well aware. That's why I also recommend to client to use the same so that I can let them know very easily how you can proceed. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Now, here in case of GTT order, GTT is good till
And there is no limit, na? There is no limit. You can open as many Demat accounts as you want to,
yes, yes.
or
There is no limit at all. No, not at all. You can
okay.
yes, yes. It's like
And what is the brokerage they are charging?
I guess this brokerage may be around 20-30 rupees max. That's it.
Okay.
Yes, and I guess HDFC is charging 100 rupees or 200 rupees like that.
I don't know. Actually, to be honest, I don't know what they're charging.
You need to
That's why
check
I'm
it because
asking.
yes, because
Yeah.
if you consider banking application, they charge you more. That's why I know
Okay.
the
Okay.
comparison of every single application. That's why I'm telling you which is the
I think my account is very old, so they
Mhm.
might not be charging me that much.
Okay.
But I don't know the exact amount.
Okay, no problem. Yeah.
Mhm.
Here, the fourth one is GTT, good till trigger. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of GTT? Let's say, for example, you have bought Bank of Maharashtra today at a price of 91 rupees. Okay.
Okay.
Now, you are expecting that maybe within a year or maybe within 8 months, 9 months, or within 13 months, you don't know the exact time period, but you are just expecting the price to rise around, like, let's say 180 rupees. Okay.
Okay.
Now you don't know when that will happen. Maybe you are at some sort of work, maybe you are away from the market, maybe you don't have network or something like that. Okay, so what you will be doing today, you have bought at 91 rupees, you place an order of GTT at 180 rupees. Now this order will go on continue unless and until the price gets hit around 180 rupees. Okay, it can
Okay.
take 1 month, it can take 1 year, it can take 10 years, it can take 50 years also, doesn't matter. That's the use of GTT, that once you place the order, unless and until it gets triggered or unless and until you cancel it, the order will be as it is. Okay, so if you are not in the market, if you are not available, still the GTT order will make you place, like your order will get placed or your order's target will be executed very easily. Okay, so this is
Okay.
how four application, like four things you get in the Demat account: market order, limit order, intraday order, and a GTT order. These three orders
Yeah.
are very well aware about, so for so many people, but this GTT order is new to most of the people don't know how exactly the GTT order works. Okay, so when
Yeah.
you will try, once you can try with the GTT order, I'll help you with that. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, yes. Now let's see about the application which I am using to check the prices or to check how exactly the chart is working. Okay. So this application is tradingview.com. Okay.
Yeah.
Tradingview.com. Simply what you can do is you can type over here as in trading
I
view.
know TradingView.
You know, you use it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So here, in case of TradingView, why I'm using this application? Because it's easy for me to handle. I get everything at a single place, and along with
Mhm.
that, chart patterns are very easy to understand, and I get so many tools to use. That's why. Otherwise, whenever I'm using the same, see, the TradingView is as it is available in Angel One. I'll show you. Here, if I open any single chart, let's say at a market, I'm opening it. Here, the application is associated. Can you see TradingView chart by TradingView?
Mhm.
Yes.
Yeah.
So either you can use the TradingView application or this Angel One application. Here also it is chart by TradingView. The same chart is given by in association. Like these are they are having tie-ups. So I guess that this is
Okay.
the real time data it is getting. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So here, just understand the TradingView. Here you can check any script. Okay, just click on here, and whenever you type any script, let's say TCS, so you can see the TCS over here. Okay, yeah. Now here there's a plus symbol. Okay. Now this symbol is for comparison. If you want to compare
Where,
one sector,
where, where is
here,
the plus?
here. Can you see?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, we are going like this. Okay, we are going like this. So first one is
Okay.
this. Here, when you click, you can simply find any any company's chart you can find over here. Just click simply on here. You will get the search symbol and just type whatever company you want. Okay.
Okay.
Second thing, can you see the plus symbol is available over here, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
It is showing compare symbols. So whenever you want to compare both the companies or both the sectors or both the markets, you can simply click on plus symbol and do the comparison. Let's say I want to compare TCS with the Infosys. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, here this is a Infosys. Now can you see the chart behind is a TCS chart with green and red candle, and blue line is a Infosys candles. I mean Infosys comparison. Okay. Now here
Okay.
TCS and Infosys both are going in the same direction. Can you see? It is moving exactly the same. So simply here you can do the comparison of both the sectors. If you want to compare bank nifty with nifty, if you want to compare any single stock with respect to that, then you can simply compare over here. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now here the time frames are available. 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 75 minutes, daily time frame, weekly, monthly, or 12 months, whichever you are comfortable with. Simply you can click here on drag down and you get the every single parameter you want, like whichever you are
But
comfortable with.
basically, what is the right time frame?
Yes. So 99% we have to use daily time frame because we are choosing it for the swing trading. Okay. We are
Okay.
not buying it today and selling it today itself. So for swing
Mhm.
trading, daily time frame is the best one. For positional, if you want to go for 2 months to 6 months like that, weekly time frame is best. And if you want to go for intraday, then for 5 minutes or 15 minutes time frame is the best one.
Okay.
Yes, maximum 90% we have to go with the daily time frame only. We get a best entry. Along with that, the target and stop loss will be very it will be giving you a proper target and stop loss ratio. Okay, so I'll recommend you that go with the daily time frame.
Okay.
Okay, now here,
Mm.
as I told you, as if you click on drag down, you can get every single range or time frame or hours, whatever you are comfortable with. Okay.
Okay.
After that, this is candles. Now, whichever you are comfortable, like if you are comfortable with bars, here, can you see the bars has come. Now, if you are comfortable with hollow candles or if you're comfortable with volume candles, you can use any candlestick pattern, but I will go with the candles itself, okay? The
Okay.
second symbol, which is of candle, is comfortable enough for me, which gives all the information, all the suitable information. That's why we are
Okay.
using the candles, okay?
Okay.
Now here there is a indicator, okay? Now tomorrow we will come to know which indicator we have to use. This is an indicator. If you click on drag down, you will get the indicators and you can find any indicator as per your requirement. But we are
Okay.
using only two indicators, which what are these two indicators? We will come to know by tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. After that, there is a symbol of alert here.
Mhm.
Now,
Yeah.
in case of alert, if you want the alert of the price, you can simply place over here. Let's say, for example, any of the script, let's say Avalon, okay? Now here, in case of Avalon technology, I have placed an alert symbol over here already. Can you see this red line is the alert symbol for me? Once the price
Yeah.
will go above that price, then I'll get the alert. So how we can do this? Simply click on alert, price. What are the conditions? If the price is crossing or going up or going down, crossing up or crossing down, whatever you want to, you can select accordingly. Let's say the price
Okay.
is crossing the value. If the price is crossing the value of 1799, then I should get the alert. Let's say 1784, then I should get the alert. Now, alert you want for only once or trigger every time. That means if the price is crossing every single time, then you want alert, or only one single time you want the alert, you can place it. Okay.
Okay. And in
Let's say,
case you want alert on more than one stock, is that possible or no?
yes, you can place 20-25 stocks at a time. You can place alert for
Okay.
20-25 stocks. Okay. Let's say
Okay.
create. Now here there's a black line came across over here. Can you see the black line? This is a alert line. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you simply want to delete, just go to that line. You can get the option of delete.
Okay.
Okay. So you can place 15-20 alerts at a time. No problem. And here, can you see? Second option, the clock is here. Can you see here?
Yeah.
On the right hand side, second symbol, just check.
After alert.
After alert, here also there
Yeah.
is an option of alert. Can you see on the right hand side, second symbol?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So if I click on here, alert now, see there are my
Mhm.
alerts which are, see this is active, which has been placed by right now. Now here for
Mhm.
mother son, 146 was the alert. This was the alert. This is active alert. This is already done. These are the already done alert. Here in Tejas network, I have the alert. Okay. So here you can
Okay.
see all the alert of yours, whichever you have placed. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, after that, if you want to study, let's say if you want to study or backtest the previous data, so there is an option of replay where you can replay. Can you see? When you click on replay,
Yeah.
let's say I want to cut the data from 25th of February 2026. I want to understand how the Tejas networks behave. Now, what I have done is I have cut the data from there and I have just restarted it. Now, can you see? It is showing that how on the daily time frame Tejas network has been behaved. So this is how I can study or backtest the data.
Okay.
Okay. Here there's an
Yeah.
option of replay. You can simply, there's a very simple thing. What you can do is simply click on replay, start new, and from where you want to study, cut the data from there. Okay. Very simple.
Okay.
And it will show you the result when you start here. It will show you the result. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. Now, here, everything is clear till now, what I have told you?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Now, here, there's an option of settings. Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, here in settings, these are very simple things. If you want to change any feature like vertical, horizontal, if you want any watermark, crosshair, text color, text font, lines, canvas, you can change it. I consider it by default, whatever the settings are there already in default, I use that only. If you want to do any changes, you can do the changes from here, okay?
Okay.
Yes. Now, from here, full screen mode, you can do the screen full screen, or if you want like the screen should be half, then it can be half the screen. Okay, this is the full screen option. Now from here, this is the option of take a snapshot. Simply you can click on snapshot, and if you want the image from like copy of the image, simply you can copy the image from here, download, copy link, or if you want to tweet the image, you can do simply from here. Okay. Yes. Now here, this is a watch list. Okay. This is watch list where you can get the like you can add any company, you can change any company from here. Now I have added few segments also here. Can you see the segments? So simply what you can do here, there's an option of priority. Can you see?
Yeah.
This is what this has the nomenclature given by me. It's not the priority actually. Here you
Okay.
can change the name to rename. Okay, can you see?
Yeah.
Yes, you can rename it if you want. You can add the section here. Let's say if I click on add section, I have got the next section. Can you see? These are the sections which I have got. Okay, so if you want the sections, you can, if you want to delete the section, you can delete the section like that. Okay, so you can create the number of watch list you want from here. Simply create new list is the option, add section is the option. From these two, you can create the watch list as much as you want. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now, this is the advanced view. If you want any description related to any stock, then it's available over here. Okay, I'll show you.
Where? Sorry, I didn't
Just,
get it.
just a minute, just a minute. Here, plus symbol is for to add the company. Okay, any company you can add to watch list, and then here it will be showing you. Okay, after that, this is advanced view. Can you see the option of advanced?
Yeah.
Yes, if you click on advanced view, if you want any overview or any description, then it's available over here. Like, let's say, I have this companies added in my watch list already. Now, can you see Adani? What is the last price? What is the percent change? What is the change in rupees? Volume, average volume, market cap, everything. If you want in brief, then it's available. If you don't want in brief, then like it's like that. Minimize version. Can you get it? Yes, yes. Okay. Then this is a watch
But
list.
I think Priya, when you send me the recording, no, then I'll just open the trading view and I'll practice all this with
Yes.
the.
Yes, exactly. It's very easy. You can practice. After the session, I'll send you the recordings. You just send me your mail ID. I'll send you the recording. You can do the practice. If you have any doubt, then before starting tomorrow's session, we will cover the doubt first, and then we will go ahead with the next sessions. Okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Now here, as I already told you, alert option already has been covered. Okay. Now, after that, this object tree data window and these charts are not useful for us. and that's it. Okay. Now here,
Okay.
if you can see, the information of the company is there. Can you see? I have just clicked on Avalon, like my chart is there with Avalon technology. And if you want the information related to Avalon, that what is Avalon, what does this company does, it is related to which sector, what is the price, and what is the latest news. Can you see? May 20 is the latest news. Then what is the key stats? Earnings report is also there. Quarterly earning is there. Okay. Now here the dividend history and income statement and the performance. Okay. Now can you see, within a year it has given 114% return. Within a month it has given around 20% of return. Now from here you can
Okay.
imagine, if you get a proper setup as per the technical analysis, then here also you can expect a good return, since within 6 months it has given around 112% return. Can you see here? So
Yeah.
overall the company is very good. This is a fundamental thing. Okay. But technically, if
Yeah.
we set up, then definitely we can take the entry. Okay. So this is the
Okay.
extra information available, and you can check that if you want. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So you
Yeah,
got.
at least it gives you a little insight into the company, you know.
Correct, correct. Now, what does this suggest actually? Now, Avalon technology is related to electronic technology. This is electronic production equipment. If the sector of electronic technology is the sector on the booming side, then definitely we can find the setup in this and then go ahead with this. Like, let's say, for example, pharma sector is booming right now, right? And
Yeah.
before, oil sector was there, the copper sector was there, the metal sector was shining. So ultimately, you come to know that this company belongs to which sector, because there are almost 3,000 companies. How we will come to know that this belongs to which sector, right?
Yeah.
This is how, like here, can you see? I have just bifurcated here every single sector, like Adani companies, agri companies, then alcohol companies, auto ancillary companies, diesel companies, truck companies, aviation, then every single company over here has been bifurcated by me. So wherever like if the defense sector is booming, I will simply click on defense and I'll check that okay, these are the stocks, and from here I can find some sort of setup. Okay.
Yeah.
Like FMCG, IT, and P is the pharma. If I can see any pharma sector. Risk management is there. Okay. So this is how I have bifurcated few stocks, where I'll get the brief introduction on earlier side only, that which stock I have to select and how is it going on. Okay.
Okay.
So you are clear about what we have covered so far?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this section, on the left hand side, this complete section, we will cover it tomorrow. Okay. That
Okay.
how
Okay.
exactly this lines, trend lines, we have to use along with the indicators. So the very first session, like let's say this was the first session, but this was very basic thing. I assume that 70-80% of the things which I told you today is already known by you, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So from tomorrow, which indicator we will be using in our working, we'll be discussing that, and then we will go ahead. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, yes. So you're following my levels also, which I'm giving since 2-3 days. I wasn't 3-4 days. Like since 3 days, market was not there.
Mm-hmm.
But I hope
Yeah,
you.
but I've not bought anything. Like I've seen all your recommendations, but
Mhm.
I've not really bought anything because you said na you would let me know. So
Yes,
I
yes.
just waited.
No, no problem. Just watch that. You will be confident enough that okay, this is how it is working. Then whatever the levels which will be given by me, I am very much sure that before one day only you can assume that this is gonna go up, and you can add that by yourself in the watch list.
Okay, and Priya, पता नहीं मुझे क्या पूछना. I
Mhm.
forgot. No, I forgot.
No problem. Whenever you will remember, then let me know.
Yeah. So
Okay.
we stick to 4 o'clock only every day?
Yes, will it be comfortable for you?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, okay, then we'll go ahead with 4 to 5. That will be okay.
ठीक है, ठीक है,
Okay. So from tomorrow morning, like tomorrow at 4 o'clock, we'll start with the indicators basic, okay?
ठीक है. And कुछ खरीदना तो बता दो यार.
श्योर श्योर, मैं आपको इन्फॉर्म करूंगी। वैसे मैंने जो आपको ग्रुप में ऐड किया है ना, प्रीमियम ग्रुप में, टेलीग्राम के,
हाँ.
तो दैट इज माय पेड ग्रुप एक्चुअली, तो आप उसमें से परचेज कर सकते हैं।
अच्छा, बट उसमें आप मतलब जो आप प्राइसेस डाल रहे हो उसके ऊपर ले सकते हैं?
एग्जैक्टली जो प्राइस मैं बता रही हूँ ना, उस प्राइस के 1 और 2 रुपीज ऊपर जा रही है तो आप बाय कर लीजिए। अगर बहुत ज्यादा ऊपर मिल रही है 1%, 2%, तो फिर अवॉइड कीजिए।
और अगर सपोजिंग नीचे हो उससे?
यस, उससे नीचे है तो भी आप परचेस कर सकते हैं। मतलब अगर 1-2 पॉइंट मैं आपको बाय करने के लिए कुछ बता रही हूँ, तो 1 to 2 पॉइंट्स का लाइक देयर विल बी अ गैप, बिकॉज मैं आपको प्राइस बता रही हूँ, तब तक टाइप करते वक्त वो प्राइस ऊपर या नीचे आपको मिलेगी ही, एग्जैक्ट प्राइस पे बाय नहीं होगा वैसे भी।
Yeah, like supposing for example, if you're saying 100 rupees, so even if it is 101 or 102, you're saying it's okay, we can buy it, right?
Yes, if it is at 101 you can buy, because 100 रुपीज का अगर कोई कंपनी का स्टॉक है, 1 पॉइंट अगर मूव करता है, दैट विल बी 1%, राइट?
Okay.
यस,
Yeah.
यू डोंट यू हैव टू चेक इट परसेंट वाइज। अगर 1500 रुपीज का कोई स्टॉक है और 1 रुपी 2 रुपी मूव कर रहा है, तो उसको इम्पैक्ट नहीं होगा। बट अगर 100 रुपीज का स्टॉक है, इफ इट मूव्स 2 रुपीज, दैट विल बी 2%, राइट? So 2% is
Yeah.
a very big deal. And if you consider 1500 का stock है, and if it is moving 15 points, then it will be 1%, right?
Yeah.
So just check for the percentage. If it is getting you according to that, and then you can take entry.
So you say 1% is okay.
Yes, approximately 0.5 to 0.7 will be perfect one.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
And supposing if it's 100, mean again, just an example. Supposing it's 100 rupee and it comes down to like say 99 rupees.
Mhm.
So is that okay? Still okay to buy?
Yes, you can buy that. Okay, okay,
ठीक है.
okay.
Okay.
So,
And
just send me your mail
I'll
ID.
just share. Will you send me the recorded on the WhatsApp or email you want?
No, just send me your mail ID. I'll send you the YouTube link where you will get the recorded session.
Or
Okay. Okay.
okay.
Okay then. Chalo.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.